Hey, welcome back to my creative art journey. If you've ever tried coloring a flower with alcohol markers only to end up with streaky, patchy textures that leave you feeling frustrated, then this is the coloring session for you. Today, I'm creating a simple, vibrant daffodil. I'm using Ohuhu markers, enhanced with Prismacolor color pencils for depth, and crisp Sakura Pigma pens. I love all things botanical, so this is going to be an easy, beginner-friendly floral tutorial designed to help you unwind, slow down, and master smooth marker blending without the stress. So I started with Ohuhu's Colorless blender. I did a video about that I would love for you to check out later. So I found out the secret to a seamless blend is working on one petal at a time or one area at a time and keep the ink and paper wet. So it is completely up to you if you want to start with the grass and leaves or move into the petals. But I'll tell you, I didn't take too much time laying the colors down. You can be as carefree or as precise as you would like to be. If you're enjoying this moment of coloring and sketching, you can keep creating even after the video ends. I've added new mandala and pattern coloring pages you can download, print, or color digitally whenever you need a calm, creative break. They're made to be relaxing, fun, and pressure-free. The link is below if you'd like to color along with me. So next we'll do layering with colored pencils. So I was being impatient. So the best art tip I have is you want to let the marker base completely dry and then add depth by using colored pencils over marker. I think I may have found my new technique because alcohol markers are going to provide that really streak-free solid color, but the colored pencils give me total control over soft shadows. And if you are following along, keep in mind I'm using a very light touch. It doesn't take a lot of effort to deposit the color onto the paper. Now, to finish our daffodil, I'm going to bring everything back into focus by using the Sakura Pigma pen. This is my new favorite tool because it's very precise. Sometimes when I'm layering markers and pencils, it can soften the original outlines. So this is where you have the opportunity to retrace shadow lines or add some texture to give the piece a clean, finished look. However, your artistic creativity is never about being perfect. It's about how you want to express what you see or what you feel and what you want the viewer to notice. And there it is, the completed relaxing daffodil. If you enjoyed slowing down today and want to practice more coloring techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join our little creative corner of YouTube. If you want to download this exact line art, I left a link in my coffee store and the pinned comment below. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get back to the drawing board.